Hi, I'm Henning von Schmeling. I'm here at the Chattahoochee Nature Center, and I'm here to talk a little bit about some of my favorite plants that we're growing here right now. This is a milkweed. Milkweeds have been in the news a lot lately. Milkweeds are the only known host plants for the monarch butterfly, and the monarch butterfly has been declining over the last 10 to 15 years, mostly due to habitat loss and the lack of milkweed plants. So here at the Nature Center, we're working on many different projects throughout the state, propagating a lot of these to plant them back out into large-scale restoration projects. Also at many of the state parks. We've also helped install pollinator gardens throughout the city and also down on the Ray in LaGrange. We're about to start another project down there on a solar farm, so we're going to start incorporating some of these plants in a solar farm as well, which is about 7 acres, which is a huge area then for monarchs and other pollinators and insects to come in and to utilize these plants. So this is what we always want to have happen, is once they flower, we hope to have pollinators come in, and then once it's pollinated, they will develop these seed pods like this, and inside of this there will be small little seeds, little brown seeds, once it's ripe. And here's one that is actually ripening right now. We're going to be collecting this, and hopefully we can grow some more of these for next year. On this pod you can actually see that they have this fluff, sometimes called floss or a coma, which aids in dispersal. So once it's fully dry, the seeds actually can just drift in the air and the wind will carry them just like a dandelion seed, and wherever it drops, that's where it's going to germinate. So these are some butterfly weed, Asclepias tuberosa, that are going to be picked up today, and they're going to find a new home in some of our state parks throughout the state of Georgia. They already have picked up a few plants, about 400, 500 plants a couple of weeks ago, and I just received an email from them that most of the plants have already been eaten down by the monarchs. I'm glad they're finding a new home in state parks throughout the state of Georgia, and hopefully lots of people will see them and get to enjoy the caterpillars.